that I've seen and I know, like companies, they go and they do like in a big event and anybody can go just to hear and see what they can finish. We're gonna go to a very exclusive event with people that we already know they could do it. Okay, so we are kind of in the process right now of filtering, if I want to say, or pre-approve our guests and see if there's people that they're willing and able to purchase a property here. So it's going to be small events, maybe 20, 25 investors that they really want to talk about it. We're going to present their opportunities, what they can do, and we're going to do that the whole time. And it's going to be like 2 weeks of going. And we're just going to go there and present what we have here, the opportunities, and see. A lot of them already have contacted me. We have already had some kind of, contact, so they already know about it. Some of others are new, people that really want to do it. So that's where it's going to happen in June. So we will let you guys know.
When I was learning from that, because this is new for me. So I remember going through planning this event. One of the things I said, well, it's an event, it can be public. You can invite anybody who's thinking about investing. And she's like, no, we can't do that. They have to have certain criteria. Criteria number one, they have to have a visa. They need to have a company, a business, right? They need to have liquid cash around $300,000. So in that way, you're narrowing down. So even if we meet, she said, with 6 people in one city, face to face, that's all we need.
Yep.
That's all we need. So
because you can be with a lot of people and say, oh my God, my event was huge and we had a lot of people. But we need to know, hey, maybe they don't even have a house in Ecuador. If they don't have a house in Ecuador, how are they going to buy a house here in the States?
Right.
So we need to kind of, and that's in general how to find your niche. You need to find the country where you want to go, but additional in that country, you need to know who you want to talk to. Who is your client, your perfect client? I call it avatar. Who's your avatar? This age, this income, this, and that's the people that you want to focus on your marketing to. Because something happened to me at the beginning. I didn't know everything, and I was like, I'm gonna do just some Facebook ads in general, And for branding, it's good and it's cheap. It's like $1 every day. So $10, 10 days of campaigns is like, woohoo! Facebook ads is the thing. And I was getting a lot of messages from Facebook ads. But I was getting, hey man, can I borrow some money from you? Can I get papers? Can you get me to the States? So I was like, okay, I'm the lender, I'm the coyote, if somebody knows what coyote means. And I'm like, ooh, no, stop this. Because I didn't know who my perfect client was, right? So I had to find who I want to talk to. I don't want to talk to every single Ecuadorian. I want to talk to these people, to this person, this age, this, and those are the ones that I want to focus on.
you had a question, Christine.
Yeah, I know you already kind of closed out questions, but it's interesting. So do you work with any agents there as well, or real estate firms in Ecuador to kind of connect better? I'm just wondering, just trying to think about Austria, because there's a lot of real estate firms, and it's very different than investing here, or real estate in general. It's handled very different rules, different downs, like everything's different.
That's what I was saying. When you're gonna go to a specific country, you need to know how they do business there, because it's different. And if you start talking the way we do business here, they're gonna be lost. They're gonna be like, nah, I don't do it. Here's everything is, But you need to know how to do it there. And if you have partners, I work with anybody who wants to work with me, being honest with you. I don't close doors. If there are agents there that they want to work and they have clients that they want to invest here, we have referrals. Okay, I suggest if someone is going to take this very serious and focus, get your CIPS certification. That's a big thing to show. You do learn; those classes are good, but I'm gonna be honest with you.
It's the
It's the
logo.
The logo. I'm a certified international property specialist. Sounds very important, right? And in those countries, like, oh my God, the more specialized you are, the better. Because they can find any agent they go to. They know about Zillow. They know. They know about Zillow.
Who doesn't know about Zillow?
Exactly. So they go and they send me houses like, hey, Karina, I found this in Zillow. I'm like, oh, you need stuff in Zillow already. You know? So they can find any agent, but they're not gonna find you.
Yeah.
As the, you know, you're specialist, you know what they want, you know what they need, and that's why they're gonna choose you specifically.
And one of the things that we're gonna be doing, that's the part that I'm most excited about, is we're gonna be connecting with brokerages there in Ecuador, so we can try to form some sort of a partnership. And those are gonna be, it'll be one brokerage per city, so it's not gonna be a big open event to them. It'll be hand-picked people that are in the same mindset.
Remember, when talking to Karina, first time say, you can do it, go to for international estate agent. You sure? Okay.
Well, we are here because all of us, we have one thing in common, doesn't matter what your niche is. We are here because, yeah, we want to make money, but hopefully we want to help people.
Yeah.
Assist with foreign sellers with capital gains tax, and this is things we do. Assist with LLC entity setups, that kind of thing. Probably over 3,000 non-resident clients, and I would say that
so we can offer signings for international clients. They just have to be kind of tech savvy. You got to know how to work a computer to be on a web call. Your clients become our clients. So I have Hannah here, our branch manager, to go over some things that are involving title with this, and our very highly requested thing that a service that we offer is our free remote closings.